Hi दोस्तों, welcome to SSC Electrical. In this video, I am going to discuss about SSC JEE 2019 Paper 2 examination dates and SSC JEE 2020 Paper 1 examination dates. And for SSC JEE 2019 Paper 2 is a descriptive examination and the examination will be held on March 21. March 21 is the descriptive examination date. Okay. For SSC JEE 2020 Paper 1, that is computer based examination, that will be from March 22 to March 25. And for SSC JEE 2019 Paper 2 and SSC JEE 2020 Paper 1 are very near, that is 21 and 22, very nearby dates. So those who are preparing for this descriptive examination, and if you have got enough score in Paper 1 and if you have crossed the cutoff score in Paper 1, and you can prepare for a Paper 2 exam, and if you are confident enough, you can attempt for Paper 2. And if you have any doubt, that is you have got very less score in Paper 1, just you have border score you have got, and you will have very some of the less chance you will have in Paper 2, because Paper 1 and Paper 2 marks will be added for final score, that is final cutoff. For the final cutoff they will add the Paper 1 and Paper 2 score. So for Paper 1, if you have got enough score, you can prepare for Paper 2, and if you are having some doubt, it is always better to prepare for SSC JEE 2020 Paper 1 also, so that you will have more chance. Okay. See here, for SSC JEE 2020 Paper 1 examination date is March 22 to March 25. Okay, very few number of days is there, so you have to prepare very well for this exam. And mostly the questions based on the previous papers will be given, so most of the questions will be repetitive in nature, and if you have prepared the previous questions, most of the models will be repeated, so it is always prepare based on the previous papers. Okay, the admit cards for this SSC JEE 2020 examination will be released 10 days before the exam. Okay, before 10 days the admit cards will be released. Okay, that is from 7 to 10 days before admit cards will be released. And if you compare with the last year, for SSC JEE 2019, last year what happened, before 7 days examination hall tickets released, that the admit cards released. For the October 27 to October 30 examination held for last year. So at that time what happened, admit cards released on October 21. October 21 admit cards released for October 27 to 30 exam. So like that, before 7 to 10 days before the examination hall tickets will be released. So that, and moreover, as the examination is very near, it is always better to prepare based on the previous questions and previous question papers. And regarding previous question papers, PDFs I have given in the previous videos, you can go through it. In the previous videos I have given the previous question papers, PDF I have given, in the description I have given, you can go through it. Okay, the description of the previous videos I have given the previous year papers PDF. Okay, you can go through it. And just remember these examination dates, and based on that you can prepare well for the exam. Just I am reminding, you might have known about the SSC JEE 2020 examination dates, just I am reminding as the examination is very close to the present date. Okay, so this is regarding SSC JEE examination dates. And thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.